Sharpening the saw chain. Sharpen the whole chain on or off the saw. The cutters must be sharpened according to the manufacturer's guidelines. You can mark the first cutter so you know when the whole chain is done. Take care that the cutter lengths and angles are equal. Also, check the height and profile of the depth gauges accurately and correct if necessary. You can give further explanation or the assessor can ask additional questions. Remove the filing burrs with a piece of wood or the end of the file handle as you sharpen. You're now ready for the practical exercises.